Hello friends, welcome to the channel DevOps Consultancy and Solution. Today we will learn what is Packer and how it works. Packer is a HashiCorp tool to create the machine images for multiple environments. By using Packer, you can create your own customized virtual image that you can use further to provision multiple VMs. Let's take an example that you are working on AWS and you want to create 10 or 100 virtual instances which has all the predefined packages installed on it. In that scenario, you can use the Packer to create your own customized image according to your requirement and install all the predefined packages installed in that image. Now we will learn how Packer works. Then Packer will first launch the instance. So first steps what Packer do is Packer launch the instance, either on AWS or Azure or any cloud platform, right? Once the instance is up and running, then Packer will install all the binaries or the packages or the script that we defined in the build script. So it install all the packages, binaries or script file that we have defined in the build script. So either a file, when we say the script file, so it will just copy the script file. You can copy the script file from your source, which is your local machine or the build machine, to the AWS AMI and then run it. Or it can run the packages like like Apache or Nginx, or you can install Python or PHP or Docker or Ansible. Even you can run the Ansible, packages on the AWS instance. So once all the packages, binary or script that you define that has been installed on the instance or the cloud platform instance, then Packer will stop the instance. So third step, when what Packer do? Packer just stop the instance. So once the instance is stopped, then Packer is just take the snapshot of that instance. So once the snapshot is taken, then Packer create the AMI. So fifth step, what Packer do is Packer create the AMI. So once the AMI has been created, so that we call it as the golden image, or build your own image, your you can say your own custom image. So once that is done, we can write here golden image. So once that is done, then the last step is Packer just terminate the instance that it has created in the very first step. So once the all the packages are installed, it just stop the instance, it take the snapshot, create the AMI, which is we call the golden image, and in the end it just stopped and it just terminate the instance. So no instance will be running and your AMI will is ready to use for your further or the future purpose. So best example of the or of your custom AMI is when you are using the auto scaling group. So in the auto scaling group, we define that when the, let's say, the CPU go beyond 80% high or the memory goes high, it spin up the new instance. So at that time, your custom AMI comes into the picture or play a very important role, that it has all the predefined packages installed, it has predefined scripts installed, everything. It has a bundle inside the AMI provided by the AWS or Azure, and autoscaling group will launch that instance. So and add that instance into the your autoscaling group. So in that way, even in the Kubernetes, it plays very important role. So it when you when the bring the new node into the group, Kubernetes node pool. So that node has all the predefined package. You don't need to install any further package. You can install. I'm not saying you cannot install. You can install via the Ansible or manually, but in the ideal scenario, so it that image has all the predefined packages and it is ready to use. So that for that purpose, Packer play a very important role, and you can create your own golden image or your custom image. Hope you understand how the Packer work. It has these 6 steps. You can note down if you want, but it's really helpful or useful basically to understand first how Packer works. What are the steps Packer is doing in the background or in the while we run the Packer build command. Video or the next session, we will learn or we will see how we can install the Packer on multiple environments, like on the Windows, how we can install on the Linux machine, or on the MacBook, how we can install the Packer. So stay tuned, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.